product designer, you always want to include the human factor in your product. Like this bench, when you have a render of your product, you can add so much to that render by only using a silhouette of a person. Sometimes you can find those silhouettes on the internet, sometimes you have to make them yourself. I found this image of a man sitting in a truck in a quite simple gesture. And you can also make a picture of yourself sitting in the right position, but I use this one for now. So I'm going to trace this man with the pen tool in Illustrator. It take a while. I use a lot of curves because the body is curved. So now I've traced the subject. I should recommend using an image where the feet are on the ground because this wasn't working that well. But now we have a silhouette of a man sitting. And we can put it on the bench. Give it a bit of a lighter color. Now you can change the feet a bit because this one isn't that good, of course. So I can see now we have a person sitting on the bench. And this silhouette is not perfect, but you can just work with it and see what silhouette works. I could recommend making a picture of yourself sitting in exactly the position what you like. Trace that one, put it on your picture or your render, and then you have added a very beautiful human factor to your product. So that's how you add that factor at simple products. You can also use it with hands or just parts of the body. So good luck with that.